Martell, something shifted. He started to reflect, really reflect, on his reactions, his anger, his fear of being misunderstood. He began learning how to speak without exploding, how to be heard without shouting. It's not that the pain disappeared, it's that he finally began to understand it. Still, the damage was done. His friendship with Nell was fractured, and the show's entire dynamic changed overnight. Loyalties were tested, alliances shaken, and everyone was left wondering, can Martell ever truly escape his past? Or is every attempt